Want to know how to remove duplicate characters from a string in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's a short 17 line code and it's just under a minute, and I'm going to explain you how it works. So in this code, we simply loop through its character. So we have used a scanner first for user input, and then we have used a for loop right here. So what this loop does is we loop through its user input character, and if it doesn't exist in the result string yet, we add it. In this way, every character appears only once. It's a great practice for beginners to understand loops, string manipulation, and index of in Java. It's super simple, clean, and really useful. So index of X a major part in this one, as we use the if statement as well. So you can just simply run this code. What it does is it just simply removes duplicate words, and here you go, the result. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.